Have Mommy shake it.
I don't know what's in this box. It's got a snowman on the front, though. Isn't that a pretty box? All right, let's get in there. Oh, it's a spoon. How did you know I wanted one of those?
Brady, what is that? Is that a spoon?
Spatula.
Is this a spoon?
Chopstick?
Thank you. That was very nice of you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Dad picked them
Yeah.
up. They're from Macy's, so I think they'll be fine.
Seems like they're well made.
Yeah.
Brady,
Well, they're definitely nicer than others.
Brady, careful.
oh my goodness. He's trying to climb on the other box.
Careful, Brady. You want some help? You want some help?
Come
Careful.
on, let's get a little present. How about this little one? How about this one? Right here. Although it's to me. Let's get one for let's get one for somebody else. Here. Can you give this one to Daddy? Okay. Oh yeah, big box. Heavy. Can you give it to Daddy? Yeah, we'll sit down. We'll smush his present. Oh, okay. There we go, right there. Right here. Yeah. Thank you. For the rest of it. All right. Thank you.
Use your other hand, baby. Attaboy. Both hands.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You want the dollars.
Who's this one from?
It's for Brady.
Oh, sure.
All right.
Let's check it out, buddy.
Thank you.